Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tinita Pe, rocking Ghana braids. Yeah. Looking like an African beautiful princess. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a smoky eye tutorial with red lips. So if you want to see how I transform from this to this, well, keep on watching. I usually start off by using micellar water and my wipes to clean my face, to rid it from every form of dirt or buildup of oil that has been on my face previously. And I make sure to clean even all the corners of my eyes, every aspect that needs cleaning, so that we need a clean canvas to work with. So this is my Mary Kay micellar water. I was bringing it close to the camera, but I guess the lighting of my ring light was way too much. But this is Mary Kay micellar cleansing water. So yeah, I want to start off with my brows. I'll first brush it, yes, with air gel. I'll brush it upwards with my air gel. But towards the ending of the brow, I would brush it downwards without altering the natural shape of the brows upwards, so that the brows can stay in place. So using my Ezekiel powder, I'll be applying it around my brow area and on top of my brows, so that it won't be slippery or slicky when I want to. I don't know if slicky is correct when I want to draw my brows. So I'll start by tracing my brows, the natural shape of my brow, following the natural shape of my brows, using my Davis number 18 eye pencil, and only filling the sparse areas where there is no air. Same goes for the other brow as well. You can see I'm just drawing air-like strokes. So this is my concealer, Glassy Beauty, in the shade number 5, and that is my angled brush for my brows. So I'll be starting off using the lighter shade, that is shade number 5, just to do the inner part of my brows. And I like to do the both of them first. I don't just like going in with one. And you can see not a lot of product, very little product. And I'll be going in with the number 3 Snazzy Beauty Concealer, the darker shade. For the tail part of my brows. And then I begin to blend in with the same concealer. I'm using it to set my eyes as the base, the same concealer I used earlier, the lighter shade. I use it to set the whole of my eyes, so that I can apply, and I'm blending it here so that there will be no form of harsh lines whatsoever. Yes, I'm setting it so that I can apply my eyeshadow. So I'm setting my face, trying to blend it in so that I can have this very lovely consistency and everything can be smooth and flat as well. So here I'm using my beauty blender to blend it in so that it can be seamless and smooth for eyeshadow application. So using my V Beauty palette, I'll be using the shade Storm. The shade Storm. It's a very dark shade, black matte shade. Then I'll be applying it on the lid of my eye. I won't allow it to get to the upper part of my eye. So it's just like as if I'm doing a reverse cut crease. I'm doing cut crease but in another form. That's kind of like the way it looks. Now I'll be going in with this brown shade. I didn't remember to check the name. And blending it in with this eyeshadow fluffy brush. It's rounded. And I'll keep on blending till I have achieved a seamless blend and it looks natural. Blend as much as possible so you're satisfied. That's what I do most of the time. Now I'll be going in with this shade of nude for the upper part. It's very light, it's kind of like brown but then nude. That's what I'll call it. And then I blend and blend and blend and blend and blend till I have a seamless blend, till I am satisfied. Done my makeup off camera, I've done my face off camera. So this is my lips. I'll be going in with this black liner, this lip liner first before applying my red lipstick. And I've had my lips moisturized already. I just used a gloss before and I wiped it off because I forgot to get the lip balm. So I'm filling in my lips, I'm filling it in, smacking them together before applying the red color. So this is classic lip gloss in the shade red. It's actually a lipstick but we just call it lip gloss. In the shade pepper. I said red, pepper. It's kind of like a tomato red. Not my favorite shade of red. My favorite shade of red is cherry red, vampire red, bloody red, blood red. I prefer it tomato red. I didn't really like this look when I was done with it, but it's still giving vibes, still pretty. So I'm blending it in. I always use my brush to blend, a lip brush, and then I apply another layer of lipstick so that it can be vibrant the way I want it to be. Just really like this lips being vibrant. Then I'll be going in with my Huda Beauty lip gloss. I'll just put it at the back of my hand first before using my brush to apply it to my lips, just so that it doesn't get any form of stain inside the bottle, inside the tube, sorry. So you can see I'm just tracing my lips with the lip gloss, applying it like I'm drawing, yeah, sorry, I'm drawing or painting. Makeup is an art. That's why the people that do it are called makeup artists. And see how pretty it's looking. I just really love a glossy lip any day and anytime.
So
So
guys,
yeah,
here is
guys,
the
this is
finished
the
look.
finished
Keep
look.
on watching if you want more content like this. Hope you like it, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Kindly subscribe. Bye guys, till next time. Bye.